I'm going to show you how to easily create and manage an appointment using Therasee. Start by clicking on the desired time slot on your calendar. Alternatively, you can click on the plus button, plus to start creating an appointment. Then click New Appointment. Select the client you want to schedule the appointment with from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the practitioner who will be conducting the session. Next, choose the relevant service for this appointment from the list. If needed, you can adjust the price of the service at this stage. Proceed to the following steps now. Choose the date for the appointment from the calendar. Set the start time for the appointment. Proceed to the following steps now. Choose the duration of the appointment, such as 30 minutes or 1 hour. Now continue through the next steps. If the appointment is recurring, select Yes from the drop-down menu. Specify how often the appointment will recur, such as daily or weekly. Define when the recurring appointment should end, either after a set number of occurrences or on a specific date. If the session is held in person, select the physical location. For online sessions, choose this option. Therasee's default is the inbuilt video service. If using a third-party service like Zoom, you can select it here after adding it in Settings. To finish, click Schedule Appointment to save the appointment. And that's it. Your appointment is scheduled. To view the appointment, simply click on it within the calendar. Click on Options for further actions on the appointment. Select Edit Appointment to modify details like date, time, duration, recurrence, or location. The appointment modal allows you to change any details previously set. Now, advance to the upcoming steps. To cancel an appointment, click on the appointment you wish to cancel. Click on Options once more. Select Cancel Appointment. Confirm the cancellation by clicking Cancel Appointment again. Cancelled appointments will appear in red on your calendar. To see other practitioners' schedules, click on My Calendar. Choose the practitioner whose calendar you want to view. The calendar will update to show the selected practitioner's appointments. To see all practitioners' schedules, select All Calendars. Click on All Locations to filter appointments by specific locations. Choose the location you wish to view, such as online session. You can change the calendar view, daily, weekly, monthly, from the view options. To finish, click on the desired view, such as week, to update your calendar display. And that's it. You're all set to manage your appointments effortlessly with Therasee.